In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a template in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do here, of course, you must create something you want to turn into a template. For example, over here, I just created a calendar template. You could do it like for an Instagram carousel, for like a YouTube thumbnail, or whatever you want to do, okay? Completely up to you. And whenever you actually have it set up, you want to come to the very top left where it says File, hover over Export, and then where it says As Template, you want to click on that. You want to give it a name over here, so I'm just going to actually name it calendar, and I'm going to save it into my downloads and then click on save. Now when you've done this, your template has been saved. Then if I now close down everything over here, so if I close down all the windows I have open, I can then go ahead and go to the file top left, click on open, and then in here I can find my template. I have it under my downloads here. I can click on the template, click on open, and as you can see, the template has now been opened up over here, and I can go ahead and edit it, and I can do whatever I want with it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.